Hi traders, in this video we are looking at the BH Ergodic Indicator for MT4. This oscillator combines a balance of power view with an ergodic-style momentum line to show whether buyers or sellers are in control and how strong that trend environment is. In this video, you'll see how the BH Ergodic plot looks in its own window, how it behaves around the zero line, and what its readings imply for trend strength and direction. At this point, I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. I'm about to allow DLL imports. And there we have it. On the chart, the BH Ergodic indicator appears as one or more lines oscillating around a central zero level in a separate sub-window, as you can see, often with color changes or line crossovers marking bullish and bearish phases. When the main line holds above zero, it implies buyers have the upper hand. Momentum is skewed to the upside, while sustained readings below zero point to seller control and a bearish environment. Stronger trends show up as extended swings and distance from the zero line, whereas frequent flips through zero and small swings suggest a choppier market where trend signals may be less reliable. As for the settings, let's take a look. Core parameters govern how the balance of power and ergodic components are smoothed and combined, shaping how quickly the line responds to changes in market conditions. Visual options allow you to adjust the line color and thickness, and in some versions, highlight crossovers or threshold levels so shifts in control stand out more clearly. As for who is for and its limitations, the BH Ergodic Indicator is suited to traders who want a momentum and trend strength oscillator that focuses on who is in control, buyers or sellers, rather than on raw price alone. It is a visual confirmation tool only, does not execute trades, and like all oscillators, it can lag and give misleading signals in noisy markets. So it works best alongside price action, structure, and strict risk management. You can download the BH Ergodic Indicator for MT4 using the link in the description below. It gives you a focus way to see when control shifts between buyers and sellers and how strong that shift is. If you got value from this walkthrough, make sure you like the video, drop a comment with your thoughts or questions, and subscribe to the Forex Geek with notifications turned on. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.